The Xiaomi 15 Pro is a flagship smartphone that was unveiled on October 29, 2024. It is a significant upgrade in the Xiaomi lineup and offers a lot of interesting features and technologies. Key features. Processor. The Xiaomi 15 Pro is powered by the new Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, which delivers high performance and power efficiency. Display. The smartphone features a 6.73-inch OLED display with a resolution of 3220 by 1440 pixels, a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, and a peak brightness of up to 3200 nits. This makes the screen bright and clear even in bright sunlight. The display is protected by Dragon Crystal Glass 2.0, which is 25 to 30% more resistant to falls compared to previous versions. Cameras. The Xiaomi 15 Pro has a triple camera, each with a resolution of 50 MP. The main camera uses the OmniVision Light Fusion 900 sensor, and also includes an ultra-wide-angle module and a periscope lens with 5x optical zoom. The selfie camera has a resolution of 32 MP. Battery. The battery capacity is 6100 mAh, which ensures long battery life of the device. Fast wired charging up to 90 W and wireless charging at 50 W are supported. Operating system. The device runs on Android 15 with the new HyperOS 2.0 operating system from Xiaomi. Innovative technologies. Xiaomi Networkless function. This unique feature allows users to communicate at a distance of up to 3.5 kilometers without the need for a cellular network, which can be useful in remote or hard-to-reach places. Wi-Fi 7 support. Xiaomi 15 Pro supports the latest Wi-Fi 7 standard, providing higher data transfer rates and improved connection stability. Waterproof. The smartphone has IP68 protection, which allows it to withstand immersion in water and protects against dust. Design and availability. The Xiaomi 15 Pro is available in several colors, including gray, white, and green. It also comes in an exclusive rock silver version with a water effect. The device weighs 213 g and measures 161.3 by 75, 3 by 8, 4 millimeters. The smartphone is already available for purchase in China, starting at 5,299 yuan, about 690 euros, and is expected to be released internationally in the future.